Hey baby girls, today I'm showing you how to give yourself that luxury spa-like facial in the comforts of your own home. If you can't afford the salon spa prices, or if you're due a facial but just don't have the time and effort to get booked in, sit back, relax and watch my at-home facial whilst you pick up tips and tricks, and I promise this will make you feel and look amazing. So I first apply some eye masks. These are by a brand called Tropic, amazing for taking that tired puffy eye away and pumping lots of moisture into the skin. If you don't have these, you can grab yourself 2 ice cubes in a muslin cloth and work them around the eyes to reduce the puffiness. Whilst they're working away, I'm going to apply this sensational leave-in hair mask. This is by a brand called Christoph Robin. This hydrating hair cream is gorgeous. Not to mention it smells so incredible. Like a Hawaiian tropic holiday. Whatever that smells like, it smells like this in a bottle. Can we just mention the red patch on my neck and the crease near my armpits? The sun came out yesterday in England and it was scorching. I applied sun cream, but I missed those areas, my stupid necklace and my stupid armpits, and now I look like a lobster. Apologies skin, I promise I will nourish you and hydrate you today. Okay, so this isn't quite what you would do in a facial, but it's at home and it goes. So I'm going to take my Ritual Hyacera wrinkle tablets with my women's gorgeous smelling multivitamin tablets. I take these every day and I am not lying when I say since I've been taking these, my skin has looked so much better. Okay, so I'm now ready to cleanse and start the facial. Today I'm using Image Vitamin C Hydrating Cleanser. You can apply this to dry skin or even a face full of makeup. Baby girls, I cannot tell you how dry and dehydrated these lips feel. I need to drink gallons more water and I need to remember to apply SPF to my lips. I then wet my fingertips to emulsify the cleanser. I'm now going to use my favourite cloths of all time. These are a bamboo cloth by Tropic. I'm obsessed. I'm going to use this to wash away all the cleanser. Also, look how my pigmentation on my lip has come out when I sit in the sun. It goes so dark, I literally have a 5 o'clock shadow. Oh, and this bloody nose piercing is the bane of my life. I'm going to go back to a ring because it falls out 63 times a day. I'm now using Babor's Enzyme Vitamin C Cleanser. This is a 2-in-1 cleanser and exfoliator mixed with water. It emulsifies into a foam. I'm going to switch on my facial steamer. If you don't have a steamer, you can apply the exfoliator, then fill a hot sink or even a bowl and use a towel over your head to absorb the steam to open the pores for a more deeper cleanse. I cannot take myself seriously with this Mrs. Doubtfire looking cream at the end of my nose. This is not a look, so let's emulsify the exfoliator by wetting our fingertips. Also, if you're sunburnt, you shouldn't really use a facial steamer, but I didn't plan on getting sunburnt yesterday, and today the show must go on. I look mental, so let's carry on. I'm washing away the exfoliator using warm water. And then I'm just going to use the cloth to just ensure every trace of exfoliator is fully removed. My skin is already feeling so much cleaner and fresher. I'm now using Cordelay grape water to hydrate the skin. So this little piece of heaven is Babor Lip Balm. This is going to nourish and soothe my sunburnt lips. It feels so nice and thick and rich, but without feeling too heavy. It's such a beautiful texture, and it really, really saturates those lips with all that nourishing property we need. Moving on to the face mask, I'm using Origin's Ginseng Glow Boosting Mask. Girlies, this is another you need to buy. It smells divine. I'm not even being dramatic. Corey needed to smell this so he could understand my excitement. Again, you can apply this using your fingertips, or for a more luxurious feel, you can use your fan brush. And what I should have done when applying my sun cream yesterday is remove the necklace so I can apply the product on the neck and the décolletage thoroughly. After my 10 minutes is up, I'm going to massage the mask deep into the skin. This product contains these little pocket encapsulated mineral balls which gently burst when massaging into the skin. It feels so gorgeous. I'm now going to do some toning, firming and depotement movements to help firm and sculpt and make the face look a little bit more chiseled. I did an arm workout yesterday in the garden and honestly my arms were killing. The products of all products, the Augustinus Beta Facial Oil. I actually don't like the smell of this, but it feels so good, I have to use it. This intensively restorative formula melts into the skin to instantly nourish, hydrate, refine and protect the skin barrier. Look how glowing and radiant my skin looks. I cannot tell you how important it is to have some staple gorgeous pieces to have at home. You could do a facial once a week, maybe even once a month, but this will just help your skin look absolutely incredible. I'm now going to use my amethyst roller, which is made with pure amethyst, designed to visibly soothe and smooth the skin. Let's not forget the eye cream. I'm using Tropics Eye Dream, and this applies more like a balm. It feels a little bit more like a Vaseline, but a lot more light wearing. It feels so soothing under the eyes, and I also like to sculpt the brow bone out with this product, just to give me that lifter, firmer feeling. we're not finished there. We're applying more products. This is Tropic Skin Feast Nourishing Moisturiser, and it does what it says on the tin. This is my favourite moisturiser at the moment, and it's really reasonably priced. Win-win. Now to help with my pigmentation, I'm using Glowberry Serum by Tropic once again. I apply this in a pressing motion to sink into the skin. My last and final product is by the brand Tropic once again. This is their Tropic Morning Mist Toner. This is so beautiful for awakening, refreshing and hydrating the skin. I cannot tell you how much I needed this today. My skin looks visibly smoother, softer and more vibrant. The pigmentation around my lip looks less visible. The pores around my nose look more closed. The congestion around my chin looks a lot better. I am so happy I've given myself this facial today. It was much needed. I hope you learnt some new tips and tricks, and please let me know if you give this a try at home. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.